Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a nice trading expiry today and you would have made a money because the move in the bank nifty is very fantastic, and I'm glad that we were able to capture it. You can also see my live videos that we shooted in today. And we also gave a hint about the rally that is coming into the bank nifty. So fantastic day, definitely. So let's analyze what happened today with our normal thing, and then we'll see what is the view for Monday, because tomorrow is a holiday, just for your information. Okay. So nifty, nifty was a kind of a, at a it did not move up. It went down, and kind of a hammer structure is formed, which is also a bullish sign, frankly. So definitely, we are the markets are bullish, not no signs of bearishness into the nifty yet. So let's see what happened onto the nifty. So yesterday, if you remember the video, we have marked this level as an important level, into the nifty. So what had happened, look, so when we opened in the morning, the price went up, but then did not able to sustain this zone which was formed yesterday, and then price came back, and then we again had a retest of that value, and we just had a selling into the nifty. And then nifty exactly came to the day low of yesterday. It took a support at a day low, and then we have a rally onto the nifty. And if you see, or maybe in our next videos, as we get more traction in our channel, we will let you know the importance of this different color candle, why it's only one candle is different, other all are white, and then the last one, which is the closing, that's why it's yellow, just to inform that this is closing. So but then there is some significance with this candle, like there is a different strategies that you can trade with this candle, so just that's why it is marked in the green. But anyways, so on a nutshell, nifty definitely formed a hammer pattern. If you see, huge volumes are built up above this level. So it is, what in my view, it's looking like a short covering. People have raised closed their shorts. That's why we see that, okay, there are high volumes, bars formed at the end. Okay, so if I show you from a candles order flow thing, so nifty, we had not that much big volume since morning, so it was a kind of a sideways day. And this is how you can really predict, when to be scalper, or you can carry the trade. So look, it was very normal volumes, and that's why it was not a, even if it was an expiry, but not a day to trade the bank nifty expiry. Because this was not having good numbers. But then if you see, considering Monday, we are definitely in the bullish territory. We saw that there are huge amounts of buyers and sellers, both are present, at the closing. And if you see, the even if it is a small, but we ended small into positive. So nifty right now, kind of a hammer with a positive territory. So I think if the hammer high is crossed, we might see some higher levels, and definitely on the higher side we are tracking 18,045 as a target. Now the downside only when this 2-day low is crossed, and we see that on the order flow, the seller selling pressure is increasing. Till now, till then we will not be into the selling business. So that's about nifty. Then we see bank nifty. So what happened into the bank nifty? So bank nifty, if you see, big bullish candle onto the bank nifty. So good day. We had a target of 42,000 initially, and then we just carried our trade till the end. So what a fantastic expiry on the bank nifty. And then I'll just show you like why I said today was not a day to trade on the bank nifty, but bank nifty. Because if you see bank nifty, the volumes were 5,000, 7,000. So, and that is positive volume. So if you see cumulative delta, it was 5,000 and it was 7,000. So 7,000 is a data that I track, because if the data is above 7,000, then the day is extremely bullish, and we have to carry our position till the end of the day. And that's what exactly happened, at this time, around 240, 210 to 15, 42,000 call of a bank nifty was around 10 rupees. Okay, and then I was looking at a at this order flow, and we were entering into the trade with 10, 12 rupees option buying, because we saw that huge volumes are built up already and bank nifty is into the bullish territory. So we had our view of a bullishness. I also recorded lively in my live session about the view that we are bullish, because I see that order flow is having huge amounts of positiveness. That call, you can check right now, 42,000 call is ended around 140 levels. We entered at 10 and we exited around 120 levels. So that's the confidence you get, when you have the order flow numbers with you. You can trade with a confidence. So just the trade that I wanted to show, what we how we did that trade. You can look at our live videos today and think about it. Anyways, so what happened is, if you see big SPs, so single prints are formed. So maybe high number of buyers entered, but time to be cautious also, because now if you see, this is a kind of a extension, so it might be an last selling, what we call it in the terms of technicals, exhaustion. Because we had a good rally, and now we are the bulls tried their best today to take the price, to close the price at the day high. So this can be an exhaustion. So Monday would be little tricky, because we have a HDFC Bank result as well. So there would be much sentiments in the morning. So I would not recommend you to trade just when the market opens. We need to see the data. We need to see how it stabilizes, and we take a trade. So as I told you, just an example, you don't need to trade every day, every time into the markets. Today, the 10 rupee call we sold at more than 120 rupees, and the quantities you can't imagine. So that's how you need to trade, not like trading 10 rupees to 20 rupees and things like this. And and I'm not talking anything nonsense or something. You can see this is the reason, because I'm giving you so there, when we trading, we have a trading reason. We are just not trading because it's a hero zero call and it's a expiry, so we do a expiry trade with a hero zero. No, 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 no. We see that it is doing it, and we can see that it is happening. And also, if you see my videos, today's live videos, or our analysis, we were clear. HDFC Bank was bullish from a long time. ICICI Bank, tomorrow, today morning also we discussed that this level is is resisted multiple times. This single print, you see 7 8 times this is resisted. So today morning, when it was resisted first time, we came back. But then when the high crossed, we had a good reason to trade into ICICI Bank. And if you see, this is all how helped bank nifty to show much movement in the day. So ICICI Bank helped, HDFC Bank helped, bank helped, SBI. I discussed SBI more than 3 4 times in the morning live sessions, where I told that SBI, we see that there is a big seller is trapped into SBI. So be cautious. You don't trade downside. If you see this one guy with 427 contracts, if you can see it properly, this guy sold and there were sellers along with him, and price went up, exactly came to retest this level and then went back. So you can mark this level 528, 529. So I can show you if you are confused. So this is the level 528 to 529. If you see SBI chart, exactly the low is 528, 529. So we started, somebody got trapped, we went up, it exactly came to that position. He got an exit, maybe, and or he closed his position, though there was a big short covering, and we saw the price momentum into the SBI. So that's why we were confident about our trade. So it's not about just taking a trade just as a hero zero trade. No, it is about the logic. It is about the understanding of the markets. So if you see Kotak Bank as well, so since morning it was trading into the negative territory. If you see 1500 contracts negative since morning, okay. But then if you see the selling pressure, the sellers were not able to take price down, and it was into a bullish range, because we know the gap up that we saw 2 days before. So it is into a bullish territory, and then there are sellers. So what it means, this number which you see 1500, these are the sellers who are emotional sellers. They want to take the price down, but they are doing against the trend, because Kotak Bank is in uptrend and you are selling, so they are getting trapped. And that was a good thing, and that's why we saw a big movement on this Axis Bank. If you see my live video, I have marked this level 860, where we saw that huge shorts and longs were built up, and rather than shorts, more longs, and we got a move. So in the last 15 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, all the banks were showing bullishness, and that's why we carried our 10 rupees option. So we entered 40,000 call, we entered 39 9 800, 39 900, we entered 40,000 42,100. So all the calls we were into it, as the 40 30 41,900 call, we entered at 33 rupees. It is closed at around 250. Just look at it. And it's not that I just want to sell or something. It's about, this is how you can trade into markets, not to look at each and every move. So that's it. So and also if you see HDFC today, if you have seen my intraday video, live video, we discussed that, okay, there is a SP, and yesterday also I told you this is an SP and this is a strong support. Exactly what had happened, for my positional trades, the stop loss was below the SP. We came back to the SP, and SP did not broke, so the positional stop loss did not break, and look, we entered, we are at a day high, so we are still carrying our positions into HDFC Bank, which are our, what do you say, the positions that we initiated around this level. If you have seen my earlier videos, you would definitely see that, okay, we from where we were bullish into HDFC, and how we are carrying our trade on the HDFC, we are discussing also in our everyday video. So on an all, fantastic day, fantastic expiry, and I think all the concept on the market profile helped us, and the volumes on the order flow helped us to see definitely that this is no need to trade on the nifty today. Focus on the bank nifty, because bank nifty had a huge volumes. So this is how you can be in a right indices, right stock, right movement, and then make a huge out of it. So okay, and not about marketing, it's a genuine learnings that I want to share, because I also had many I also faced many things in when I joined the market and all. So only the reason that I am onto YouTube is just to show people that, okay, don't lose hope and don't lose money. If you learn, earn, you can earn better. So give time to markets, learn the things, and whatever I'm showing is the latest and greatest you can see in the market as of now. Okay, so that's it then for now. Bank Nifty still bullish, and we'll see what happens. HDFC Bank results, so I don't want to go against the sentiment. Bank Nifty closed bullish, so high possibility or high probability that market might open gap up, and then we need to see what price does and what order flow shows. So no prediction, nothing, and anyways I'm not with that. But yeah, currently the this whole scenario and bullishness in the market still persist. So, okay, so I think this weekend we will again come back with our weekly analysis episode 360 degree, market 360 degree, and then maybe we can, I'm thinking to, discuss few stocks maybe that they can be useful for you guys for the investment point of view. So let's see. I think thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching my video. If you are watching, nice to see. I'm really glad those who are watching, and if you guys are learning, yes, that's my intention, nothing else. So as I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn about it. If you learn, and if you have a passion, other things can be taken care of. So with that, signing off. Have a good evening, good day. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.